So, the X-Pro Drax Apex is basically a high-powered electric dirt bike aimed at adult riders, with a 6,000-watt rated motor, up to 10,000 watts peak, a 72V35R removable battery, and a claimed top speed of 55 miles per hour. But here's what the marketing doesn't really emphasize. 55 miles per hour and a claimed 47-mile range are best-case numbers. The manufacturer itself says actual performance depends on things like rider weight, terrain, temperature, and riding conditions. I'd also pay attention to the charging time. The battery takes around 7 to 8 hours to fully charge, so that impressive range comes with a fairly long wait between rides. And the bike is specifically designed for off-road use, so don't assume you can simply register it for normal road riding. The good news is that there are already customer reviews describing the Drax Apex as powerful and solid, although one reviewer mentioned wanting a stiffer front fork for more aggressive riding. So, is the Drax Apex worth buying? If you want a fast electric dirt bike for off-road riding, the specifications are definitely impressive. But I'd look beyond the headline 10,000 watts figure and consider the range, charging time, weight, legal restrictions, and after-sale support. Overall, this looks like a serious e-moto rather than a basic electric dirt bike, but make sure you actually have somewhere legal and suitable to ride it before spending the money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.